Welcome to part 1 of our Osaka Walking Tour. We're diving into the heart of Japan's kitchen, Dotonbori and Namba. Our journey begins at the iconic Glico Man, a symbol of victory and energy that's overlooked this canal since 1935. The energy here is infectious, with vibrant signs and incredible street food around every single corner. We have a full series coming your way, but before we find our first bite, if you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Time for a snack. Takoyaki are Osaka's signature octopus balls, crispy outside and molten hot inside. Thanks for starting this journey with us. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Osaka is a city of endless layers, and we're just getting started. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in part 2.